Good morning, children. Once again, welcome back to the online English classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am your Vichita Miss. How are you, my dear children? Are you happy? Are you safe there at your home? Did you enjoy your Onam vacation? Yes, that's also nice to hear. My dear children, today we will discuss our new lesson, that is lesson 11. A visit to the grandfather. What's the name of our lesson? A visit to the grandfather. What do you understand from this topic? Yeah, someone is visiting the grandfather. Do you like to visit your grandparents? Yes or no? Yeah. Why? Why do you love to visit your grandparents' house? What is the reason for it? Any reason? Do you love your grandparents? Yeah, that is also very good. We have to love our grandparents. We must care them. We must love them. We must do good for them. Okay? We should be very kind to them. Our grandparents tell us stories, beautiful stories. They also love and care for us. Isn't it? Yeah. So we must love our grandparents. And in the story, that is lesson 11, we saw a little girl named Poonam. What's the name of our girl? Yes, Poonam. She is very happy. Why she is very happy? Why is she very happy? Because she is visiting her grandfather. It is a Saturday. So, Saturday, Poonam is very happy because she is visiting her grandfather. And she is going with her mother. Mother is driving car and they are visiting their grandfather. And they reached there. And this Poonam is very happy. I have already told you that Poonam is very happy. Why she is very happy? Because she can see her grandfather, and in grandfather's house there are some pets. What is pet? Pet? Yeah, animals that is very pet to us, pet animals. There is a duck. What is the sound of duck? What is it? Yes, quack, quack. Right? Yeah. And there is also a cat. And the name of the cat is Bilbo. What is the name of the cat? Bilbo. B-I-L-B-O. And what is the sound of this Bilbo cat? What does it sound? Can you make the sound? Yeah, very nice. What is it? Meow, meow. So this Poonam loves this cat and duck. And also, Poonam loves to walk with the grandfather in the garden. The grandfather has a garden. Grandfather used to walk in the garden. And Poonam also loves to go with the grandfather, and she loves to walk in the garden. We can stop till this. Now, let us go through the textbook. All of you take page number 53. Let us do the textual activity of page number 53 and let us read the text. Okay. So, my dear children, all of you take page number 53. Page number 53. And here you can see a box with 4 animals. Animals and birds. What are they? Cow, duck, sheep, cat. My dear children, color these pictures beautifully. Okay? Now, below you can see some sentences. So, watch. Are you ready? Lesson 11. A visit to grandfather. Hooray! Today is Saturday. I am going to Grandpa's house. I am in the car. Mother is driving. Soon we reach Grandpa's house. I run to Grandpa. He hugs me. He says, "Hello, Poonam." Grandpa has a big garden. A duck lives there. "Hello, duck," I say. So, hooray. What is the meaning of hooray? It is a word to express our happiness. Our happiness. Because Poonam is very happy. They are visiting grandfather's house. It is a Saturday. And mother is driving car. And they reached the grandfather's house. While seeing grandfather, Poonam is very happy and she hugs grandfather. Hugs the grandfather. Grandfather says, "Hello, Poonam." In grandfather's house, there is a duck. While seeing the duck, Poonam says, "Hello, duck." Turn the page number 54. "Quack, quack," says duck. Grandpa also has a cat. His name is Bilbo. He is my friend. "Hello, Bilbo," I say. "Meow, meow," says Bilbo. We go for a walk in the garden. So, when Poonam says, "Hello, duck," the ducks replied, how? "Quack, quack." Poonam says that grandfather also has a cat. What's the name of the cat? Yeah, very good. Bilbo. And Bilbo is Poonam's friend. Bilbo is the friend of Poonam. While saying Poonam, Bilbo says meow, meow. Bilbo expresses his happiness by making sound. What's the sound? Meow, meow. Poonam says that they go for a walk in the garden. Cat, duck, Poonam and grandfather go for a walk in the garden. We can stop here and we will continue the next portion next day. Okay? So let me ask you some questions. What is the name of the girl? Yeah, Poonam. Poonam is the girl. Where are they going? Yes, they are going to grandfather's house. And which day of the week is it? Which day is it? Saturday. Yeah, Saturday. And who is taking Poonam to her grandfather? Who is taking Poonam to her grandfather? Mother. Mother is taking Poonam to her grandfather. There we saw two animals, two pets. Which are they? Yeah, a duck and a name of the cat? Do you remember the name of the cat? Yes, it is Bilbo. Who has the garden? Grandpa, grandfather has a garden. Isn't it? My dear children, you have to read the textbook till we have taken. That is page number 53 and 54. Read it at least 10 times. I have attached the difficult words, that is new words. Go through it and write it 10 times. Okay? We will continue the next portion tomorrow. Till then, take care. Thank you.